Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this problem. In this problem, we need to count the number of literal count. For example, in this given Boolean function, there are four literals x, y, and this x and z bar. So 1, 2, 3, and four literals are there. So in the question, it has been asked when we find out the POS and SOP. So they are saying minimum possible literal count of the product of sum POS and sum of product SOP. So the literal counts are written like this, so we need to find out in that manner, right? So let's find out it. It is not very difficult question, it is comparatively easy question. So let's first try to find out either SOP or POS. So let's say we go for SOP. SOP, we try to form the group of ones. So let's say this one is there, so this one we can group like this. So this don't care, we can form the group like this. So we can form the group of these four positions, right? These are don't care, so don't care we can treat as 1 or 0 as per the requirement. Now we can also form the group like second group I'm forming here. So we can form this group like this. These don't cares we can treat as 1, and this group can be formed of these four places or cells. Now for this one we can form the group with this one, and this one we can form the group like this, right? So such kind of pairing we can do when we form such kind of group. Let me change the color of this. So let's say I'm making this group with red color. So these are the possible groups 1, 2, 3, and 4. So there are four possible groups. Let me write. There are four possible groups of, one is 4 members are there, 4 cells are being clubbed together, and these are also 4, and there are 2 groups of 2 members. So there are 2 groups of 4 cells and 2 groups of 2 cells. Now you know that when we form a group of 4 cells, there will be 2 variables eliminated. So if there are total 4 variables x, y, z, and w, we will get only 2 variables here. So there are 2 groups in which each group we will get 2 literals. So these 2 groups will give us 4 literals. I hope you are able to understand this. So each group is going to give us 2 literals, and there are 2 such groups of 4 cells. That means each group will give us 2 literals. So 4 literals we will get from here. Now here we are having 2 groups of 2 cells. So when we are having the pair of 2, only one variable or literal will be eliminated. So that means these 2 groups will give us 3 literal each, so that means total 6 literals we get here. So that means in SOP form we are going to get total 10 literals, right? So in SOP we are going to get 10 literals. In that way, this is wrong, this is wrong, this is wrong. Only C will be the right answer because options are like that. So let's try to find out the total number of literals in POS also. So let me clear the board and we form the groups. You can solve it further. I'm just solving it quickly. Okay. So let's do it. Again, I will form the group, and this time we will try to form the groups of zeros, right? So if we are going to get the groups of zeros, this is one clearly visible grouping we can establish of these 4 cells, right? Similarly, if we want to group these 4 places, we can do. So this is the another group which we can form, and it is clearly visible because this time we are going to get POS, product of sum. Now these zeros we can form the group of this 4. So let's say I'm saying this is one of the possible grouping like this. Now this 0 is left only, so this 0, there is no other way we can form the group like this either, right? Or we can form this group with this 0, right? So in either of the way we can form. So either if you are comfortable here, like you can form this grouping like this don't care can be treated as 0 as well, you know that. So all the zeros you can group like this. Now again the same concept, you can quickly count the number of literals. So this is the group of 4 members, this is the group of 4 members, and this green group is also 4 members. So that means here you will get 2 literals because 2 will be eliminated. This group will also give us 2 literals because 2 will be eliminated, and this green group will also give us 2 literals because it is the group of 4 members. Now this red group will give us 3 literals, right? So this will give us 3 literals. So you can find out 2 plus 2 plus 2 6, 6 plus 3 9 literals. So in POS we will get 9 literal, and SOP I have already told you 10 literals we have counted. So the answer would be C. I hope you are able to get it. I am not solving it in terms of the Boolean function because this question is not asking that, right? So thank you.